Hey, it's Jefferson Graham inviting you to join me for Season 3 of the Photowalks series. On the show, we get off the beaten path and go to some pretty great places where I show you how to take awesome photos with the camera that's in your pocket, you know, the smartphone. There's no need to go out and buy expensive gear and to lug it when you can do some great stuff with the camera that's in your pocket. Let me show you a few examples.
When you're traveling with your smartphone, I want you to think like a pro and to shoot like one to get professional results. And where have we been recently? Thanks for asking.
So for the new season, we are headed to the land of enchantment. That's New Mexico, of course, everywhere from Santa Fe to Pie Town, and that's no joke. We're headed back to San Francisco as well, and we've got some surprises in store. So I hope you'll join us on the next Photo Walk.